Assalamualaikum. 12th standard student. In biology, last time we have done question paper solution. We have solved a question paper. Today also we will start with the practice of another paper. Okay, this will be helpful in your exam. You know, there will be 4 sections: section A, section B, section C and section D. So today we will do section A. In section A, you know, there are 2 questions. Question number 1 and question number 2 that we have already discussed. Question number 1 is MCQ question. That will be total 10 questions will be there for 10 marks, and the other part is very short answer that we'll discuss later. First we'll start with our question number 1. Question number 1 is select and write the correct answer. Select and write the correct answer. This will be for 10 marks, 1 mark for each MCQ. See, first MCQ is the First MCQ is the microbial pesticide, that is Nosema locust, is effective against dash. What is the first MCQ? The microbial pesticide Nosema locust is effective against dash. There are 4 options. Option A is gypsy moth. Second is white flies. Third is grasshopper. And fourth is aphids. This MCQ you will find in chapter number 11. In chapter number 11, this MCQ you will find. The answer of this MCQ you are going to find. If you search the answer for this MCQ is, see how to write the answer, that also I will show you, so that it will be helpful for you to know the way of writing the answer. So you have to write answer, then which question is, so it is first MCQ. Now the correct answer is MCQ C, that is grasshopper. So you have to write C option also, and the correct answer is grasshopper. This if you write, then you will get 1 marks for this MCQ. Okay. Now we will go for second MCQ. Second MCQ is, in monocots, grafting is not possible. In monocots, grafting is not possible because they have dash. Why in monocots grafting is not possible? Because they have what they have, because of which grafting is not possible. What is necessary for grafting? So this, see, 4 options are written here. A is vascular bundle, B is ground tissue, C is inter or intrafascicular cambium, and the D option is parenchymatous cells. 4 options are present. The correct answer for this MCQ you will find in chapter number 1, the first chapter. Which chapter is that? Reproduction in lower and higher plants. In this chapter you will find the answer for this MCQ. And what is the answer? The correct answer for this MCQ number Roman letter 2 is C option. And what is C? That is inter or intrafascicular cambium. Inter or intrafascicular cambium. If you write this answer, you will get 1 mark. If you write in this way, you have to write answer, question number, that is Roman letter 2, option number C, inter or intrafascicular cambium. Then third MCQ is dash can be considered as connecting link between ape and man. Dash can be considered as connecting link between ape and man. The 4 options are: A is Dryopithecus, B is Australopithecus, C is Propiliopithecus, and option D is Ramapithecus. Now this question, that is the connecting link, dash can be considered as the connecting link between ape and man. This question, the answer for this question you will find in chapter number 5. Chapter number 5, that is origin and evolution of life. Okay, in this chapter you will find the answer, and the answer is B, Australopithecus. So what you have to write? You have to write the answer, question number, that is Roman letter 3, and option number is B. And what is the correct answer for this is Australopithecus. Australopithecus. If you write in this way, then you will get 1 mark for this answer. Fourth MCQ is disease-free plants can be produced by culturing dash. Disease-free plants can be produced by culturing dash. See, four options are there: A, cambium, B, mesophyll, C, apical meristem, and D is root cortex. Cambium, mesophyll cell, apical meristem, and root cortex. Now this you will find in chapter number 11. The answer for this you will find in chapter number 11. And the answer for this is, see how to write the answer. Answer, then what you will write? You will write the number of the, sorry, it is not this type of 4. This will be Roman letter 4. This will be Roman letter 5. And here will be Roman letter 6. So you will write Roman letter 4. Answer is C. And that answer is apical meristem. The correct answer is apical meristem. Then next is fifth, antibodies are dash. Antibodies are dash. The 4 options are there: A, glycoproteins, B, carbohydrate, C, lipids, and D is nucleic acid. Now this question you will find, the answer for this question you will find in chapter number 10. Okay, antibodies are dash. The correct answer is you will write question number correct option, that is A, and the correct option is, you have to write also the same option also, that is glycoproteins. Glycoproteins. The correct answer is glycoproteins. Then next is sixth MCQ. Energy transferred from one tropic level to another is dash. The energy transferred from one tropic level to another is dash. See, 4 options are present. A 5%, second is B 10%, C is 15%, and D is 20%. You will find the answer in chapter number 14, and the correct answer is question number 6, that is B 10%. 7th MCQ is, the fetus signals that it is mature. The fetus signals that it is mature by secreting which hormone? The 4 options are there, that is TSH, second is B is ICSH, C option is ACTH, and D option is GH. This you will find in chapter number 9, and the correct answer for this MCQ, which MCQ is MCQ number 7, is option C. And what is the correct option? That is ACTH, adrenocorticotropic hormone. ACTH, that is adrenocorticotropic hormone. The correct option C. Then 8.1. Once the Graafian follicle releases its egg, when Graafian follicle releases its egg, its remnant transform into dash. Once the Graafian follicle releases its egg, its remnant transform into dash. 4 options are there. A is corpus callosum, B is corpus luteum, C is corpora quadrigemina, and D option is endometrium. Okay? The answer for this question you will find in chapter number 2. The correct answer for question number 8, that is MCQ number 8, is B. And what is B? B is corpus luteum. Corpus luteum. Whatever is written, you have to write the same way. Then 9th MCQ. 9th MCQ is, which of the following is a dominant trait in Pisum sativum? Which of the following is a dominant trait in Pisum sativum? Now 4 options are A, colored flower, B, yellow pods, C, green seeds, and D is terminal flowers. Now this question, the answer for this question, this MCQ, you will find in chapter number 3. And the correct option is for MCQ number 9. Answer for MCQ number 9 is option number A. And what is option number A? Is colored flower. This is the dominant trait. Now the 10th MCQ is, which of the following is an ex situ method of conservation of endangered species? Which of the following is an ex situ method of conservation of endangered species? The 4 options are there. A is hotspot method, B is wildlife sanctuaries, C is botanical gardens, and D is biosphere reserve. Now the answer for this MCQ you will find in chapter number 15, last chapter, and the correct answer for this MCQ, that is MCQ number 10, is C, that is botanical gardens. Okay, so students, today we have started with practice paper. This is practice, we can give it the number, that is practice paper number 1. In that, today we have practice MCQ, that is section A, question number 1, which is MCQ for 10 marks. So we have practiced 10 MCQ. Okay, I have given MCQs with chapter number, so you can study at home. Okay, thank you.